region. So we really desperately need to see some rain, but we're not going to get much in the next week, unfortunately. But the good news is the weather is quiet. It's stress-free. The Gulf of Mexico is going to stay quiet in the next 10 days. No tropical threats here at home for us, but the Atlantic is busy. We've got Nigel still out in the open ocean. That's where it will stay. It will eventually fizzle out in the coming days. Then we've got this tropical wave we'll be monitoring over the next week as it moves westward through the central Atlantic Ocean. It might move closer to the Caribbean by early next weekend. So we'll watch that for the Caribbean. That should stay away from the U.S. But we've been monitoring this area of low pressure that was set to develop off the southeast U.S. coast, and it has. Now, it technically has a designation from the National Hurricane Center. It's called Potential Tropical Cyclone 16. It might further strengthen. It might be our next named system. It does not have a lot of time to do so, but it could strengthen. It might become Ophelia, maybe, but look at this out. Like, check this out. It's going to get into the Carolinas by late tomorrow. So it's got to do that pretty quickly. It's going to keep on moving northward through the Carolinas into the mid-Atlantic by Saturday, and into Sunday it should get back out over the open ocean. So there are going to be some impacts across parts of the southeast and parts of the mid-Atlantic over the next 48 hours. They're going to be seeing some rain. They're going to be seeing some gusty winds and possibly some coastal flooding, maybe even some storm surge across North Carolina into Virginia. There are tropical storm warnings in effect along the Maryland coast down into North Carolina. So those are the warnings, even some watches for South Carolina. And they could see a couple inches of rainfall too from the Carolinas into New Jersey, even parts of New York into eastern Pennsylvania as well. So they'll be seeing some impacts from this potential tropical cyclone tomorrow, especially Saturday. But here at home, no tropical threats for us all the way through the end of October. So our weather really unchanged, nice and quiet. High temperatures every day, steadily around 90 degrees, a little less muggy this weekend. Some higher rain chances by next Monday and Tuesday.